Hi and welcome back to another episode of Pin the World. We have, as always, my map right behind me and we're ready to pin another country, hopefully. Okay, I can't see anything and I'm getting ready to pin. So let's remove our blindfold, get our goggles back on. Nice and clear. So the pin has spoken, we're going to Mali and we'll see what you're going to cook for Mali. So, we are going to make a meat stew in peanut sauce with some vegetables from Mali, basically from all of Western Africa. And it's called Tiguadege Na. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And first things first, we have to chop up the meat and the vegetables. We will need 500 grams of meat. I use chicken meat. 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic, some fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 can of tomatoes, 2 cups of broth, mixed vegetables, and some bay leaf, thyme, rosemary and marjoram. Heat up the oil and fry the chicken or your meat until it's brown. Technically you should use lamb or beef or even goat, but I prefer chicken. And I prefer the one with bones for a better broth. Once the meat is browned, add the chopped onions, garlic, ginger, and fry until the onions are soft. Add the canned tomatoes, the tomato puree, the bay leaf, salt and pepper, and the broth. Once it's come to the boil and has simmered for approximately 5 minutes, add the vegetables, add some more water if needed. I use a lot of vegetables, so I added obviously some more water. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for approximately half an hour until everything is soft. Now it's time to add the peanut butter and the mixed spices. Let it simmer for a couple more minutes and it's done. And here's our finished stew. Even though we halved the recipe, I think we still have stew for the coming days. And well, let's give it a taste. The chicken with the peanut butter is incredible. So, well, this is it for Mali and our second episode of Pin the World. Thanks again for watching and see you again next time. Bye!